Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making chocolate oat squares. These 3-layer bars are comprised of a chewy oaty layer, a delicious chocolatey fudge, and topped with a crumbly oat topping. These are a perfect addition to any lunchbox, no matter what your age. You'll have most of the ingredients in your pantry, so let's jump into the recipe. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I've greased and lined a 34 by 24 centimeter pan with butter and parchment paper. To the mixing bowl, add 225 grams or 1 cup of soft unsalted butter. To this, we're adding 350 grams or 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. We're going to cream this together for about 5 minutes until it's really light and fluffy. You can make this recipe by hand, but I find the mixer just a little bit easier. Once it's soft and creamy like this, scrape down the sides of your bowls and add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Once the eggs have been incorporated, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, leaving 2 teaspoons for your chocolate mix. Scrape down the sides of the bowl again before adding your dry ingredients. To a bowl of 240 grams or 3 cups of quick cooking oats, we're going to add 300 grams or 2.5 cups of all-purpose or plain flour. To this, we're going to add 4 grams, about 1 teaspoon of baking or bicarbonate soda, and 6 grams, about 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll want to stir this all together so there are no lumps in your dry ingredients. Add in your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients gradually. I like to do them in 3 increments. That's 1 and 2. And finally 3. Once it's all mixed together, reserve 1/3 of your oat mix for your topping. Now press the remaining 2/3 into your pre-prepared pan. It's a bit sticky, but gentle swooshing motions with a spatula will help you get it into all of the corners. For our fudgy chocolate layer, add in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. To the milk, add 340 grams or 2 cups of semisweet chocolate chips, 25 grams or 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and half a teaspoon of salt, about 3 to 4 grams. We're going to turn this onto medium heat and let it melt together until it's beautiful and fudgy. Once you pull it off the heat, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Stir to combine and then pour over your oaty layer. Spread that fudgy chocolatey layer all over the bottom layer of your bars. Now we're going to take the remaining 1/3 of our oat mixture and crumble it all over the top. It's okay if it doesn't cover it completely because we want to see some of that chocolate through all of the craggy oat bits. Now into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. They're beautiful and golden, and that top layer has just spread out a little bit so that chocolate is just peeking through. Now they just need to cool completely before slicing. These bars are very rich, so I've sliced them into 24 pieces. My favorite way to eat them is cold out of the refrigerator with a glass of milk. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you love bar cookies, check out my Hello Dolly recipe here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button right down here. See you next time.